Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial on how to get your Twitter QR code. So then make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure that you've updated your application to the latest version. First of all, open up your Twitter application. After you open up your Twitter application, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, on the other half, tap on profile. Once you're in the profile page, tap on the three dot icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you have a drop down menu and right at the bottom tap on QR code. So then on the next interface you have your QR code. In case if you want to share the QR code or if you want to save it to your gallery, then all you have to do is tap on the icon located in the top right and center. There are two different options, that is either you have to save it to your gallery or you can either share it with other people. And in case if you want to scan it, then you'll have to tap on the scanner icon located right at the bottom, and now you can scan the QR code. So that is how you can get Twitter QR code on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.